Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Chevy Cruze Limited LT, stock number Z9681XX. Only 17,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Red hot in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. This Cruze also has the RS package, giving you rocker moldings, rear spoiler, backup camera for additional safety. Nice size trunk, wide opening, makes it easy to get things in and out. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Pages, again only 17,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in a city, average of 38 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.